If you've ever spent 20 minutes lining up a screen protector only to end up with a giant bubble or a dust speck dead center under the glass, you'll want to see this one. So let's go over the Spigen Alumina Core glass screen protector. I'm gonna go over all the different features of it, then go over a demo of me installing this on my iPhone 17 Pro Max here, and then talk about who this is for, all to help you make a better informed buying decision. Okay, so this is a tempered glass screen protector designed for iPhones. And it comes as a 2-pack with a full installation kit, cleaning wipes, dust removal stickers, microfiber cloth, alignment tray, and a squeegee. So everything you need in the box here. So before we go over a demo of me putting this on my iPhone 17 Pro Max, let's talk about a few of the features. So this has the Alumina Core glass. So it's high purity aluminosilicate glass that goes through an ion exchange strengthening process rated 9H plus hardness. So the 9H plus is basically the top of the scale for screen protectors. It's harder than most steel keys and coins, you're going to have in your pocket. So when your phone goes face down on a rocky trail or gets, tossed in a bag, with your keys, the protector takes the scratch instead of your actual display, which is really nice, when you're, talking about $1,000+ phone. So that is of course the main sell here for the screen protector. Another great feature is the EZ Fit alignment tray. So it has preloaded alignment frame that snaps over the phone and drops the glass onto the exact correct position. Of course, we'll go over that in a second. So you're not lining it up by eye. That never works. And you just drop the tray over the phone, press it where it tells you to, peel the tab, and it's centered. So this is the part that surprised me the most. If you ever wrestled with a screen protector and ended up with it being crooked by just tiny bit or a bubble you couldn't push out, the tray basically takes that whole problem off the table. Another great feature is the touch sensitivity and clarity. So it has full light transmittance with an oleophobic coating on top. So your screen looks just as bright and sharp as it did naked, and your finger glides across it the same way too. So you're not paying for protection with laggy touch response or a dimmer screen, which you can have problems with some screen protectors. And it really does feel like there's nothing on the phone at all once it's installed. Also, one other feature, this is cut to fit precisely inside Spigen cases. The protector ends just shy of the case edge. So you don't get that gap where the case lip catches the protector and starts peeling it up. So if you're already a Spigen case person, this is going to play really well with what you already have. Just keep that in mind when using a different brand case with a thicker bezel. Fit can vary. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this on my iPhone 17. Okay, we first start with the installation pad. So that's this right here where the squeegee is. Take the squeegee off, move this out of the way. Go ahead and lay this right here. And we just put our phone right here. So there's a nice little slot for the actual cameras. So you can see. Next, take the cleaning wipe, wipe off the phone. And just inspect it to make sure it's spotless. No dust, no nothing. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and take the back film here and remove it. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and place this on our phone. So this is the top right here. It says it right here. Just turn it around. And it lines up perfectly. Okay, and then we will press and slide. You can see that it's being plastered onto the case. I'm gonna hold it for 30 seconds. Also press down on the edges as well. Okay, and then we'll remove the sticker. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and remove the tray. Just like that, it's really simple. And we can see that we have this protective film over it. And we just peel back the protective film from the top. And then we can use our squeegee here and just squeegee out the little bubbles that we have. Okay, and then for the smaller bubbles, we can use kind of the edge. So it may take a little bit to get out the smaller bubbles. Okay, so there we go. It did a really good job. It's a really great hardly any bubbles there at all. You can see the glass, it's a pretty thin layer. And you could use the dust removal sticker, after you do the wiping of the phone, you can add this and just start putting it on the phone and just peeling it off. So really simple, I'll just show you right here. You can of course use the big one, use the smaller ones, where you just grab dust off. But this was a new phone, so it didn't have any dust on it. Just inspect it before you do put on the actual screen. Of course, you could always wipe it off as well after you use the cleaning wipe. Okay, so what I really like about this is it was really easy to install. As you saw, instructions are very straightforward. The alignment tray, this takes all the guesswork out of it, and it comes with a 2-pack, so you can have a spare. And the touch, it's responsive, no issues at all. It's honestly just like there's nothing on there I can't even tell that there's glass on there. It's really thin. So who is this for? This is really for anyone who has an iPhone and wants the cleanest, easiest screen protector install they can get. And if you're struggling with bubbles or alignment in the past, the EZ Fit tray is really what you're paying for here, and just the quality of the glass. And it's already a good pick if you have a Spigen case. The fit is dialed in exactly for that combo. So who this is not for? So if you're someone who treats their phone really rough and expects a screen protector to take serious abuse without ever showing a mark, you may want to look at something else with, extra hardness layering. But for most people, this is going to be plenty for your phone. And also remember, it's not indestructible. So you can't just be throwing it everywhere and expect it not to break. The 9H+ rating for this glass is real, but it's not indestructible. So in my opinion, the Spigen Alumina Core glass is a really good screen protector, worth checking out. The install alone makes it worth it. You get clean optics, good protection, a backup in the box, and you don't need to be a tech person to put it on right the first time. And you also don't need to have anyone at any retailer put on any glass install for you. You can do it yourself really easily.